Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy on Amazon in 2025. Here's a step-by-step process, even if it's your first time shopping online. Okay, the first step is creating your Amazon account. This is actually optional, but recommended. So before you start shopping, Amazon will ask you to sign in. You can also buy without an account. But if you want saved addresses, faster checkout, easier returns, and order tracking, it's always better to create an Amazon account. Just go to Amazon.com, click sign in at the top right, and log in or create your account. Once you're inside Amazon, let's go ahead and use the search bar right here. Here we can look for the product that we want to buy. Let's say I would like to purchase a book, a headphone, or anything else. Let's say I want a headphone. Then click on the search icon right here. It will now take us to a list of products. Let's say I want this item right here. Here in the product page, you can see details such as the product description, the delivery date, the seller information. It says here that this item is sold by Amazon.com themselves. And lastly, the customer reviews, which is at the bottom of the page. Okay, let's go back to the product itself. After checking all of the details in the product page, let's make sure if the item is in stock and available for shipping. Okay, as you can see here, it's in stock and available for shipping. If the product is available, then click Add to Cart. Proceed to checkout. And for our next step is entering your delivery address. On your first checkout, Amazon will ask you to enter a shipping address. You can choose between your home address, work address, and even a pickup point. However, the pickup point is only available for Amazon Locker or a partner pickup location. Pickup locations are great if you don't want the packages delivered to your home. Select the option that you prefer, then click Use this address. Then for the next step is choosing your payment method. Amazon will ask you your payment method. You can use either a debit card, credit card, a gift card, or a certain local payment option. This part depends on your country. Once you've added your card information, click the Add Your Card. Then it will be automatically saved as your payment method, in which you'll be able to use it to pay for the product. Okay, I've now chosen a payment method. So before placing your order, Amazon will now show you a final summary. You'll see your product name, the quantity, the delivery date, the delivery address, and lastly, the payment method that we use. You need to check everything first to make sure it's correct. If everything looks good, you can click on the Place Order button right here. Okay, so once you place the order, you'll then receive a confirmation email. The item will be prepared for shipping. When it ships, you'll get another email with tracking. To check your order anytime, you can just go to your Amazon account, click your orders, and the item that you ordered should pop up right here. There will be a button that would say Track Your Order. Go ahead and click that, and you'll be able to track your order. You'll see its full delivery journey until it reaches your door or pickup location. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.